everyone that I have a conversation with and that I come in contact with about this bus is going to hear the story of how important it is to share with the people that you love them. Also, ignore that weird sound right now in the background. I don't know what that is.
So when I was on the bus and driving it home, I was thinking that maybe God wants us to call it the prayer bus because we've been praying a lot for it. And Heather actually held up her Bible when we were there, and her Bible matched the exact same color. And her Bible she got a couple years ago. It was pretty interesting. And I just noticed that on my motorcycle, Heather put this sticker on there of, well, she put this on there a year ago, and it says, "Did you pray yet?" And that's the same color as the bus too.
And where did we get the bus from?
We got the bus from a pastor.
And what did you find inside of one of the cabinets?
Cabinets?
Yeah.
A praying mantis.
A baby one, right?
A baby praying mantis. Is that a God wink?
I think it is. I think God's saying to call it the prayer bus.
Well, not only that it was meant to be too.
Yeah.
Like, it's just weird. Everything kind of lines up.
Guys, the bus is still running. It has been sitting for almost 3 months, untouched. There weren't any rats inside. I did see a rat crawl from underneath it in the middle of the day, so hopefully they haven't chewed up anything underneath. We haven't driven the bus, but we did leave it running for about an hour or so. I think this was God's way of saying, hey, it's time to continue on the prayer bus. And everyone that I have a conversation with and that I come in contact with about this bus is going to hear the story of how important it is to share with the people that you love them. Also, ignore that weird sound right now in the background. I don't know what that is. So here starts the journey of learning, growing, challenging myself, and hopefully finding some friends along the way who'll help me out with the prayer bus to make it into a real thing. Love you guys. I think engine still started up right away, so the prayer bus is a go. I've really had some time to think and pray about this, and if I can have or help just one person through this bus and share the story, then as long as it's in God's will, then it's worthwhile. Reach out to your friends and family. Tell them how much you love them. Keep going. Keep doing the good work. And if you haven't already, subscribe, because this is going to be a wild journey. Wild journey! The prayer bus is becoming a thing. Thank you for all of your prayers. Keep going. We need you here. Keep going. Okay, guys. Please hit the subscribe button, and you can get notifications. I don't know how regularly I'll be posting videos because I don't know how to build out a bus, but I'm definitely insulating the tiny home this time because the last one wasn't insulated and it's hot. But go ahead and share your bus design ideas and keep going. Hang in there, friends.